Good morning, y'all. It is Nate and
Julia
from Cape Cod Magna Crew. We are up here in Canton, Massachusetts at the Canton Viaduct. This thing was built in 1833. We're hoping to pull some history out or just some metal and clean this water up. Got my bucket, got my rope. Let's get that magnet in the water. Think you got something over there?
I might need a hook on this one.
Something bubbly. Do you think it's something that's hook worthy?
I think it's something that's too heavy for me. Yeah. Here's mud in your eye.
Yeah. There's mud in your eye, kid. Get right down here. All right, y'all. Finally came up with a whole bunch of stuff. Nail, another nail, another nail. That's nothing. That's nothing. But we just got a lot of funk. All right, guys. It feels like just some more schmutz here. Man, I wore the wrong pair of shorts today. A nail, little metal piece, another little metal piece, metal plating, more metal plating, another nail. I think that's the game we're playing today. All right, y'all, I think we actually got something heavy, or it's just traveling through the muck. It's probably just traveling through the muck, I think. All right, let's see. Man, buddy's so loud, huh? It's a bar. Nail. 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 More metal. Bunch more nails. I bet you these are square nails. Once I wash them off, we'll find that. Yeah. All right, guys. This is definitely goopy and gloopy. All nails. See all that? See all that? Nail, bar, nail, 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 nail. Muck, muck and cuck. Cucka.
Okay, then.
Yep. Yep, so that's nails. More nails, more nails, more nails, more nails. Guess what we got? Guess another nail. Another nail. There's some oil over here, so I mean there's something buried. Cause like, well, I've got like this oil sheen right here. Let's see if that's anything. We'll go right through that area. Maybe we'll get lucky. Dang, dude.
Didn't even need the magnet for this one.
Dang, man, what you got?
And then a big old pipe.
I thought we already had this conversation. All right, some more junk here. Covered with muck, of course. Nail. Nail. Let's see. Covered in muck again. But today is just nail day, people. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. That, this. Whole bunch of nails and metal pieces. It's kind of neat, huh?
Oh, I think I'm about...
Nice one.
Dude, Nate.
Yeah.
I got something huge right there.
Do you? GoPro start. You are recording.
See all those bubbles?
They, yeah. Yeah. I was over there for a little while too. Oh yeah, look at all those bubbles. You're pulling something crazy out of there, dude. Wow. Wow. I've never seen something so bubbly.
Get another magnet on this one?
I got something on this.
Okay.
It's actually really heavy too.
I think I might have just lost mine, but I know right where it is. Get onto it again. It might take a while, right?
Okay. Oh wow. Okay. It's a stick. But yeah, a bunch of looks like a huge bunch of bolts here, you know? Those are giant. Nice find. That's the big one. What's that? Like 1.5 feet, almost 2 feet. Buddy. Big, huge bolt, probably from up top somewhere.
Sweet.
That was wicked heavy coming through there. All right, guys, we got some bumps on this one. Let's see if anything came along. All right. Looks like just a bunch of nails again. But this time we got a washer too. So we're definitely still cleaning up. It's definitely muddy. As you see here, this is super, super mucky. I've already destroyed my shorts. And I didn't even poop. All right, we got some more bumps on this one, but it looks like it's just more of the same, guys. Just nails, hooks. Oh yeah, look at that. First toss, buddy.
What the hell out of here? We got.
Gigantic pipe.
Oh, that's because he cheated and jumped in front of me when I was going to come here first. Oh, that ain't good.
No, that does not sound good at all.
Sound good.
It's a big nasty pipe.
Oh yeah, he's fishing his side, my side, crowding out of my spot. Ruthless.
Fishing all
Ruthless
sides.
magnet fishing.
All right, guys, we got something on it this time. What's that? Huh, interesting.
What's
It's interesting. Some sort of transistor thing.
this? What do you think this is? I don't know what I got here.
I have no idea. That's kind of strange. Oh, you know what? Some sort of a switch because it mounts. Oh, you know what? It's an electrical outlet. Oh yeah, no, I'm onto something. I got it. Whatever it is, I think I got it.
I got something too.
Yeah, it's a big chunk of something.
Or I just have my magnet. It's hard to tell. It's actually hard to tell if you have something on this magnet.
I know. Same with this one. Metal plate. It's just literally, wow. Very similar to the ingots. It's just a big square of steel. I think I pulled it out of the water.
Oh yeah?
Yep. Oh yeah, I pulled it out of the water, dude. I pulled it out of the water.
That magnetar cube is freaking awesome.
I pulled it.
What is it? Is that it? I got it loose for you. You stole it.
It's just a giant pipe. Just a giant pipe. That's all. Yep. All right. Looks like we've only got a couple tiny things on it this time. Nail, bolt. That's about it. I'm gonna try to get whatever it is that buddy's got there. Trying to get.
Trying to steal my stuff.
Yeah.
Like always.
Keep coming. We got something else. Oh yeah, boy. Oh yeah, boy.
What do you got?
Another pipe.
Nice. Dude, instead of trying to join you again like that,
You know what?
I'm gonna go independently, and we'll both be on, and that way we each have a different perspective, and if my camera craps out,
Okay. Just crud. That's all it was. All right, we got a bundle of junk here. Bundle of junk. Whole bunch of just cruddy metal pieces. That's what it is the crud from metal that's down there. It's like a big chunk of metal. That's what that looks like. Yep. Another big chunk of metal. Pretty sweet.
What's cracking, guys?
Got some weight here, buddy.
Yeah?
Yeah, serious amount of weight. Wow. Wow. That's a big chunk.
Nice.
Huge, huge chunk of metal. See that? Chunky. Oh, looks like I got another pipe and some other stuff. There we go.
Another piece, huh?
Yeah. What I think it is though, buddy. Oh, you know what? This is actually glass.
Yeah, that's a bottle encrusted with something. What the hell is that? Is it some kind of fancy wine bottle holder thing?
No, it's just crust. I think, I don't know what that is. That's weird though. We got glass magnet fishing. Got another bump, guys. Looks like it's another pipe. And some crud. Cruddy pipe. It's probably both. Yeah, that's chunky. Cruddy, cruddy. It's like maybe another pipe piece or something. Oh, you know what it is? Sweet, first one of the day.
You got
Railroad spike.
Get out of here.
Got one. Got a serious amount of weight on this one.
Yeah.
Yep. I beat you with this one. Sorry, bro.
What that leaf spring, man? You need your whole giant leaf spring set up down there somewhere.
Whole bunch of chunky metal. Got, actually that's just a little bit of crud. Another little bit of crud. That crud probably came off this rebar. Oh, you know what? I think I just got something I haven't gotten yet either.
What?
I think this might be an axe head. It's exactly what it is. It's an old axe head. Yep. Buddy.
Hey, you know the history of this viaduct, the year? Whoa!
Axe head.
Not only is that an axe head, dude, but that looks quite
Like
old.
a hatchet.
I was wondering what I did with that.
Yeah.
I think that's a...
Sorry guys, hard right there.
Don't know what that is. That is kind of interesting.
And the rules. Dr. said he knows where we are at. He knows where we are.
It looks like part of maybe a motorcycle tank or something. That's pretty weird. Oh yeah, this looks like something in one of the power things. It's like a transformer type of thing, right?
Yeah, that's a ceramic
It's
top.
one of those ceramic.
That's a ceramic top to a really, really old. That actually could be from around 1900.
See,
Who knows? Oh, that was a nice piece until you did that.
that was a nice piece till it broke. Got another plate of some sort. Yeah, just a piece of metal. That's it. First piece of tackle. Got something super heavy. Got something heavy. Oh man, heavy. really strange. It's another pipe, but it's so crusted.
Get off the pipe one more. With more glass in it.
Yeah, it's so crusted that it's actually got glass stuck to it. It's kind of strange. Dude, what's this? This is something weird. Look,
That is a window weight.
yeah, I mean, guys, just look at that. You know, that view alone is worth coming here.
Nate, say hello to Buddy Big's land.
How do you, buddy, what?
Say hi to Buddy Big's land.
How do you, buddy, I don't even know what's going on. Yeah, we got something here.
Well, you might not get a quick opportunity to cross.
Yeah, we got something. Nice. Nice. Another leaf spring. That's it, guys. I think I'm gonna call it after this last late leaf spring. It's probably the fourth or fifth one we've caught of these today. Yeah, so that's it. That's a wrap on Canton. Check out that viaduct over there. That was why we came. Pretty sweet. See you guys soon.